Lalabas kami na lahat, panoorin nyo lahat. We are the Group 3! Good morning to all of you. My group is here in front to demonstrate the pathway of blood to and back from the heart. First of all, I want to meet my co-members and co-leaders. My name is Myra Salidi Lumen. I'm the leader of Group 3. My name is Godwin J. D. Guzman. My name is Jelly G. Bertuccio. My name is Juana Paula V. Oria. My name is Matasa Angela. My name is Reidela Marquez. My name is Mark Allen Kayabo. Blood is circulated through the body, which is the oxygen and collected carbon dioxide enters into the superior vena cava into the right atrium of the heart. The right atrium of the heart contracts and pumps to the right of feed valve into the right ventricle. The right ventricle pumps the blood through the pulmonary artery into the lungs. In the lungs, tiny blood vessels called capillaries absorb carbon dioxide from the heart and replace it with the oxygen. The oxygenated blood from the lungs flows through the pulmonary veins into the left atrium. Oxygenated blood then pumps through the mitral valve into the left ventricle. The left side of the heart contracts the strongest, sends blood out. The left ventricle through the aortic arch on its way to all parts of the body. At this point, there are few options in blood flow. Blood can be pumped through the carotid artery into the vein. Blood can be pumped through the axillary artery into the arm. Blood can be pumped through the aorta into the torso and legs. Blood will then move through the arteries, capillaries, and veins. The oxygenated blood is the return of the heart.